Feet on the ground and in the fog, words they tumble like a dog, chasing shadows in the night. What's the point? What's the fight? Heads are calloused, hearts are torn, dreams are broken, edges worn, screaming loud to a deafened sky. No answers here, just a hollow cry. Hitting all of day, I scream, lost in a shattered dream. Echoes bounce off empty walls. No one listens, no one calls. Whiskey burns like fire in the veins, drowns the sound of endless chains. Freedom's just a faded sign, rusting in the back of my mind. Guitar wails like a tortured soul, drums they pound out the control. Lightning crashes in my chest, searching for a place to rest. Hitting all of day, I scream, lost in a shattered dream. Echoes bounce off empty walls. No one listens, no one calls. Oh, drifting all day, I scream, lost in a shattered dream. Echoes bounce off empty walls. No one listens, no one calls.